on stage from the improv scene. So, let's give it up for Kara, Carl, Papu, and Aaron. Spit Manila together with our own Thunder Puke, Eva, and Marina.
Hello, good evening, everyone. How's everyone this evening? Yes, my name is Aaron.
Ako po si Carl.
Ako si Papu.
Ako po si Kara!
Ako si Eva.
My name is Marina Summers, and we are so excited to be doing improv with Mariana and Eva. Are you ready to see that? Yes! Amazing. So ganito yon, because improv requires a lot of audience participation. So I need to know, are you ready to participate? Yes! Sige nga, let's see. We are going to challenge this entire room to be one team. Can we be one team? Can we all say, isang team tayo? 3, 2, 1.
Isang team tayo!
Amazing. So as one team, I will give you a challenge that you have to try to do in as little time as possible. So I'll be giving you a category, and you have to name as many things under that category going through the letters of the word Pasko. So for example, sabihin ko, food is our category. Give me food that starts with the letter P. Pasta, pizza, pansit, palabok, papalitan, paksil. Oh, letter A, letter A. Adobo. Letter S.
Spaghetti!
Shawarma.
Shawarma. Ayan. So we're gonna ask some of our SPIT members to go into the audience to get more suggestions. And our category is very simple. Ano ang mga bagay na gusto nating ma-receive on Christmas? Things that we want to receive this Christmas, alright? Are we ready? Yeah? Are we ready? Yes! Alright, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! Letter P!
Pera, siyempre.
Pera! Yun na yun! Okay, A! A!
Aguinaldo. Aguinaldo.
Okay, letter S.
Sugar daddy.
You might be able to get those things tonight.
Kailangan ng Pasko.
Correct. Letter K.
K. Kandag. Mas ano ba?
Kiss.
Karantaw.
Okay.
Kayamanan.
Very nice.
Kagandahan.
Ah, beautiful. And last but not least, letter O. Alright, ano ba? That is a theme.
What's with this crowd? Parang Pasko lang. Tuyong-tuyo na ba kayo Pasko? Alright.
Tumayo siya nung sabi niya, tuyong-tuyo ba tayo? Ayan, so you guys are able to do the challenge. Please give yourselves a round of applause. We now know that you are ready to give us your suggestions. So we will be starting our second game. And for our second game, we would like to call, yes, our mic stands on stage. Palakpakan natin ang mga mic stands. Mic stand.
Si Michael.
Mike at saka si Stan.
Stanley.
Perfect. And for our next game, we are going to need 1 or 2 or 3 volunteers. Ooh. Are you scared? Are you scared? There are 2 ways to volunteer, huh? You can volunteer yourself, or the person with the most fingers pointed at them will come up on stage. Ayan.
Volunteer.
Volunteer. Ayan, we have a volunteer at the back, the lovely lady in blue. Please come on. See, look at that, so brave. We have another one, this gentleman. Is that green? Gray?
Gray.
Gray. And perhaps one more. Yan si ating in need. Please come up on stage. Sir, may I have your name?
Rafi.
Everyone, round of applause for Rafi. May I have your name?
Sophia.
Sophia, round of applause for Sophia. Addie, round of applause for Addie. Ayan. Alright, so we are going to be playing a game that you may or may not have seen on social media. It's called Ikaw. Has anybody seen this? If you've seen this, clap your hands. Alright, so what I need from somebody, let's say, how about you? What is your least favorite chore to do at home? Hugas ng pinggan. Okay, hugas ng pinggan is the chore that she does not want to do. We have Carl and Papo in 3, 2, 1.
Nagugas ng pinggan, ikaw.
Nagagawa ko ng pizza, ikaw.
Nagdi-DJ ako, ikaw.
I am palm reading myself, ikaw.
Nagbabasa ako ng Bible, ikaw.
Naglalaro ko ng Fruit Ninja sa malaking iPad, ikaw.
Alright, so I forgot to explain. If you are not able to say anything right away, you get out. And if you repeat what the person says, for example, naghuhugas ako ng pinggan, naghuhugas ako ng... Hindi pwede yun. So we had to switch to the next person. So let's have Sophia. Round of applause for Sophia.
Yeah!
And because you're so pretty, you can start with any movement you want. So you do any movement. Go ahead. Can I see it? 3, 2, 1, go.
Nagtatapon ako ng mga baraha, ikaw.
Naghihimay ng gulay, ikaw.
Isa akong magtataho, inaalis ko yung pantaas na taho, ikaw.
Nag-aalis ako ng puto, ikaw.
Nagtatahi ako ng damit, ikaw.
Nagtatanggal ako ng...
Round of applause for Sophia. Thank you so much, Sophia. Thank you. Alright. So, Addie, because you're so beautiful, ikaw rin, you start the movement. Any movement you want. Oh, beautiful ka rin, pero hindi ka magsa-start. So, siya muna. Alright, Addie, start your movement in 3, 2, 1.
Ako ay nakasakay sa MRT, ikaw.
Ako'y kumakanta.
Nagpa-flying trapeze ako ng isang kamay, ikaw.
Alright, we have Addie versus, I'm sorry, your name again? Rafi. Addie versus Rafi. And because Rafi is looking lovely tonight as well, you can start with any movement in 3, 2, 1. Go ahead.
Oh my God!
Ako yung nag-flossing.
Close?
Ikaw.
Ako yung nagpusang po yan. Ako yung nagtatrayo ng different belts.
Ako ay nagja-jogging.
Ako yung gumagamit ng hulu ng sira.
Oh, that's Viva Max right there.
Oh my gosh.
A round of applause for Rafi. Thank you so much, Rafi. Thank you. Wow, si Addie. Mukhang ano, ha? Addie versus Eva. Diyan ka lang, Addie. Diyan ka lang. Okay, Eva, looking beautiful. Please start the movement in 3, 2, 1, go.
Nagpapahangin ako ng leg, ikaw.
Oh my God, ang bigat.
Basta yung... Nagpapagpag ako ng balakubang, ikaw.
Kakainin ko ba ito? Shit!
Pero nagsastretch na ako ng balita, ikaw.
Oh my gosh. Ayaw ko na. Alright! A round of applause to Addie, everybody. Thank you so much, our brave volunteers. Ngayon, it is Eva versus Marina. And Marina, as the challenger, you get to start your movement in 3, 2, 1, action.
Nag-e-escoba ako, ikaw. Nagpapampa ko ng inidoro, ikaw. Nagbobomba ako, ikaw. Nag-golf ako ng maganda, ikaw. Nag-shave ako ng legs, ikaw. Nag-pusher ako ng hinlalaki sa paa, Nag-lotion ako, ikaw. Nagsusuot ako ng gloves, ikaw. Nag-judge ako ng Nag-finger ako, ikaw. Nangangaroling ako, ikaw. Nagkakamot ako ng tuhod, ikaw. Nangangamot ako ng pwede, ikaw. Nagtatanggal ako ng magbigas. Eh, ikaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Eva and Marina with
Grabe yun.
Grabe yun, grabe yun. But Eva and Marina are not leaving the stage. And earlier, we asked you to write song lines on pieces of paper. Who was able to write? Can you clap your hands if you were able to write song lines? Alright. So we have your song lines. And we're going to spread it across the stage. And kalat na natin yan. Because what will happen is, we have a scene that will happen with Eva, Marina, and Cara. And anytime they hear the bell ring, they have to pick up one of the pieces of paper and use that line in their dialogue and try to make sense of it. Did that make sense? Perfect. Okay, so what I need from you now is, can I please have a situation where it's a place where a lot of stuff is happening? Train station. So this scene takes place in a train station. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Buzz with Eva, Marina, and Cara.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Nakatayo ako.
First time ko po kasi sumakay. Pwede pa lang.
Pwede na ba? Pwede pala umupo.
Hi, I'm Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi.
I'm Marina Summer. Alam mo, Karen, nakakatuwa na tinabihan mo ko, no? Gusto ko lang mag-share sa'yo galing sa church namin. Mala kasi kami, alam mo ba na you betrayed me and I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way that I hurt!
Oo! Ako nga yun. Akala mo, pasimple lang kitang tatabihan dito sa edge. Hindi. I knew from the moment I saw you, kailangan kong sabihin sa'yo to dahil nasaktan din ako. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't want to wake up from this dream. Ikaw naman talaga yung gusto ko eh. Ako na nung makikukot na yun.
Long hair ako, Karen! Excuse me po. Nahihirapan ako, Karen. Hindi pwede yun. Nakita lang tayo dati sa isang testimonial ko sa Friendster. Na ang sabi ko, you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heaven. Testi lang yun, Karen naman. Bungol ka ba?
Pero ang daming likes! Ang daming likes! Diba nag-comment ka pa nga? Diba nag-comment ka pa nga nung nilike ko siya? Diba anong sabi mo? Doon kita unang... Parang sabi ko, ito na yun. This is it. This is the person that I wanna be with. Nung kinoment mo, it's getting hot in here. Kaya huwag mong sasabihin sa akin na ako lang ang nagmamahal.
Karen, that was a phase. Siyempre, bata pa ako noon. Medyo experimental pa ako. Pasensya na napaasa kita. Hindi ko sinasadyang saktan yung feelings mo. Pero alam mo kasi, sabi nga ni Aristotle, di ba? Patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. So, ano ba yung nararamdaman mo? Ipagkasal mo yan. Bigas-bigasan mo yan sa manawag. Holy water lang yan, Karen.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Ay, ano ba yan? Lahat gusto mo umupo sa tabi ko. Feelings ka rin ba sa akin?
Karen? Uy! Ang tagal na kitang inantay. Dito lang pala tayo sa LRT. Santolan Station. Magkikita. Naalala mo yung huli mong sabi sa akin? Wherever you go. Ano daw? Wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Naalala mo nung huling gabi natin magkasama?
Ikaw yun, hindi ako!
Teka lang, nalilito ako. Nabundol kasi ako ng tren once. Hindi ko na
Alam mo, ikaw ata yung nawawala akong kapatid. Naalala ko kasi, dun sa diary ni Mama, may nakasulat, I drink my whiskey neat. Ikaw yun! Wait, sino ba yan yung minamahal mo sa aming dalawa? Ako o siya? Siya o ako? Si Marina o si Summers?
Ano? Alam mo, ganyan kayo eh. Kung pinili niyo na ang isa't isa, fine. Ito na lang ang message. Ito na lang. Nabasa mo na to eh.
Ayusin ka sa iyong tapon.
Ito na ang huling pagkakataon na sasabihin ko sa inyo to. So please makinig kayo. Bigo, Sawi, ang sakit-sakit.
Ikaw pa nasaktan. Eh kami nga yung pinaglaruan mo.
Pinaglaruan mo kami, Karen.
Sabi mo sa akin noon, as long as you whisper to me, hihi.
Alright, so next, we are going to give you an improvised song. But we have Carl, Papu, Marina, and Eva who will ask you a question to give them inspiration for what they will sing about.
If there is one thing you would get this Christmas, what would it be? Maliban sa pera, kasi pera ng pera eh. Oo. Ano? Sex? Wala ka ba nakukuha? Kasi okay, sex.
Noted daw. Okay. So, malapit na ang Pasko at tayo ay magno-Noche Buena na. Ano ang ulam na gusto nating maging handa sa ating Noche Buena? No? Shanghai. Okay.
Okay, di na magpapasko na. Ano yung pinaka-weird na regalo na natanggap nyo ever? Face towel? Face towel. Okay. So, kung meron kayong regalo na ibibigay sa pinaka-kinaiinisan mong ex, ano yun?
Bomba!
Ano? Hollow blocks.
Alright, let's recap what you gave.
Sex.
Shanghai.
Face towel. Hollow blocks.
They will be singing you a hoedown. So let's play the track. In a bit.
Christmas sa inyong lahat. Sana kayo ay makatanggap ng karat. Make sure foreplay is good. You know what comes next. You will experience great sex.
Oh, aking mama, ba't mo ko pinagbalot? Hindi mo ba alam ako ay isang supot? Sabi mo sa akin ganyan talaga ang buhay. Ang titi mo mukhang lumpiang Shanghai.